Fins. Fins help fish. The tail fin helps fish. It helps fish move in the water. The top fin helps fish. It helps fish not tip over. The side fins help fish. They help fish stop. Thin fins make fish zip fast. Big fins make fish swim slowly. Here are the word families for that story. Fin, in, win, pin, tin, din, kin, bin, in, pin. Tip, zip, sip, nip, hip, rip, dip, lip, zip, nip. Big, gig, fig, dig, jig, pig, wig, rig, dig, fig.